Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Edge's new RAM management option. So it'll allow you to manually adjust how much RAM Microsoft Edge can use. So in order to do that, just open up Microsoft Edge, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then open settings. That will take you to the main page. And on this page, the first thing you need to do if you don't currently have the latest version is to click About Microsoft Edge. This will automatically check for an update and then install it. If there's no updates available, you already have the latest version. So once you have the latest version, change to the System and Performance tab, then scroll all the way down to Manage Your Performance. Here, there are a couple of options, and the first one you can just leave on, and the second one is the one we're going to be using here. So it's called Resource Controls, and it'll allow you to allocate how much RAM Microsoft Edge can use and when it's going to be doing that. So turn that on, then it'll show your total amount of RAM. So I've got 32 gig, and you can adjust this down to whatever you like. Just remember there is a performance loss. So if you're going to go down to 1 gig or something ridiculous, don't expect Microsoft Edge to work very well. But allocating it something like 8 gig is going to be perfectly fine. The next option, once you've chosen how much RAM you want to allocate, is this one just here, which allows you to choose always. So it's always only going to be limited to your set amount, or only whenever you're playing games. So if you fire up a game, Windows will detect that you're playing a game, and it will automatically switch Edge over to this RAM usage, which is pretty handy if you want to have a game guide or something open in another tab or on another window while you're playing the game. Your game will still get the majority of your RAM, and Microsoft Edge will still have enough to run. As always though, you'll probably need to mess around with how much RAM you allocate, but that's going to be personal based on your system specs. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone.